How to download Photoshop on laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your laptop or PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for www.adobephotoshop.com and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Adobe Photoshop. Now here in this section, you'll see two options. One is free trial and another is buy now option. So here, just click on the free trial if you want to try Photoshop for 7 days. And now here you'll be signed or you'll be asked to sign in with your Adobe account right here. So here simply enter the Adobe account and after that you'll be asked for credit card account right here. So simply select the certain bill that you want to take and after that simply fill up the billing details right here. And now here once you have selected all the billing details, the Creative Cloud installer will start downloading automatically. And after that, the file name will look like creative underspace cloud underspace setup.exe for Windows or DMG for Mac. So here, once the file is downloaded, just open it and click run and just install it. And this will install the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your laptop. So after Creative Cloud is installed, just open it and sign in again. And after that, you can just go to the app section and search for Photoshop. And with that, you can just click install and wait for the download to complete. And it may take a few seconds to minutes depending on your internet speed. And once installed, you can simply open inside Creative Cloud or use the desktop shortcut. And now you're ready to start editing your photos using the Adobe Photoshop. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.